Ever wondered why your bank account balance seems to fluctuate even when you haven't made any transactions? Or why you might face declined payments, even though you have sufficient funds? The culprit might be a mysterious term, the first before pay limit. What is the first before pay limit? Let's break it down. Imagine your bank account as a digital wallet. When you deposit money, it doesn't instantly become usable. There's a brief period where the funds are technically on hold. This is where the first before pay limit comes into play. It's essentially a temporary cap on the amount of money you can immediately access. This limit varies from bank to bank and can depend on factors like your account type, recent transactions, and overall banking history. Why does this limit exist? Banks implement this limit for a few reasons. Fraud prevention. To protect you from fraudulent activities, banks need time to verify the source of funds. Risk management. By limiting immediate access, banks can mitigate risks associated with potential chargebacks or disputes. Operational efficiency. This limit helps banks manage their internal systems and processes effectively. How does it impact you? Understanding this limit is crucial for managing your finances. Here's how it can affect you. Delayed transactions. If you attempt to withdraw or spend more than your available balance, considering the first before pay limit, your transaction might be delayed or declined. Overdraft fees. In some cases, exceeding this limit could lead to overdraft fees, especially if you authorize recurring payments. Payment failures. Missed bill payments or failed online purchases can result from insufficient funds, even if your overall balance seems adequate. Tips to manage your first before pay limit. Plan ahead. Be mindful of your spending habits and upcoming payments. Time your transactions. If possible, schedule transactions for times when your funds are likely to be fully available. Check your bank's policy. Understand your specific bank's rules and regulations regarding before pay limits. Communicate with your bank. If you anticipate large transactions or have concerns about your limit, reach out to your bank's customer service. While the first before pay limit might seem like a technicality, it can have real-world consequences. By understanding its implications and taking proactive steps, you can avoid financial inconveniences and maintain control over your money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.